Hi, this is Kelly from Luxury Homes Tulum, and today we're in one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in Tulum, known as La Privada. Today we're going to share a house with you, a beautiful 3-bedroom house, incredibly decorated. It's called Casa Aman. It's incredible. Let's go check it out together. Come with me. Here we are in the main living room. This area is great. It's a very, very nice, warm place. And I'll tell you what makes it really cool. The textures in this room. We've got travertine flooring here. Very, very sleek, very sexy. We've got this Italian imported tile on the walls. This is a cool thing. But now let's mix it up a little bit. Let's get a little bit deeper, a little bit darker, a little bit richer. Check out this stone. This is a regional stone. This is something that comes here from the Yucatan Peninsula. Now we've got 3 different textures. You think that we're done? Oh, no. Check this out. We've got beautiful chukum here. Chukum, of course, the most famous building material in all the Yucatan. Famous here. You've got to have chukum, you've got to have marble, you've got to have terrazzo. You've got great texture in this space. It really, really has its own identity. You've got to see this to believe it. It's beautiful. Oh, one more thing. Check out the detail on these stairs. See these beautiful angulated stairs? That's not just a traditional stair. We have beautiful angulated stairs, and then we also have these beautiful barandadas, which of course are these glass barriers, which just provide more space. It's a visual invitation to go up this beautiful staircase. Here we are at Casa Aman, and now it's time to eat. So what do? We head for this beautiful dining room. Check it out. This massive, beautiful table with seating for 8. We have decorative pots over here. We have all different kinds of textures again. We have beautiful grays, browns, blacks, all sorts of beautiful, interesting details with lighting. Check out this beautiful island, black marble, and always a favorite of every chef, a beautiful 5-burner gas stove. It's an incredible place. I can sit here, talk to my friends, talk to my guests, fixing a gourmet meal. It's a great place to entertain. Laundry room is back behind me. But guess what? I think that we should have dinner outside tonight. Let's check this out. We have a beautiful seating table out here. We have table for 6. We can have breakfast, lunch, or dinner out under the stars. We can bring the outdoors in or the indoors out. It's a beautiful space filled with lovely, lovely details. Here we are in the master suite. This master suite is understated luxury with beautiful comfort factors everywhere, beautiful, gorgeous travertine floors, and I think you've seen this incredible bathroom. If not, let me show you. We have an incredible shower. I think that probably 6 or 8 people could fit in this shower. It's amazing. We have this beautiful soaker tub, and of course, what bathroom would be a bathroom without a candelabra? It's a beautiful, dark, sexy, romantic place. Beautiful built-in wood everywhere. You're gonna love it. Come check out this beautiful, sexy, sexy bathroom. So we've got guests upstairs waiting. They're sitting out on the beautiful terrace. I'm gonna go run down, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna see where the hors d'oeuvres are, see how soon they're gonna be out. The chef's cooking, the cocktails are flowing. It's a great place to host your friends and family here at Aman. Here we are on the terrace, which is located at the front of the house. I know this hammock looks very inviting, but sorry, I've got to get it ready for my dinner party. Tonight we're gonna eat outside. We're gonna eat under the stars of the Riviera Maya. It's a beautiful space. We have a bar over here. We have lots of entertaining space. It's a great, great little area. You're gonna like it here. Come check this house out. It's amazing. Here we are in one of the 3 outdoor spaces here. This is an incredible place because we have a space in the back of the house, a space in the front, 2 distinct, very distinct terraces. This one probably gets more sun. The one in the front is shaded by a beautiful, beautiful mature tree. And then of course we have the area on the side of the house where the pool is. It's a great place. You got a lot of outdoor space for a very, very nice, tight lot. You'd love it here. I hope you guys enjoyed Casa Aman as much as I did. This is a beautiful, beautiful 3-bedroom villa, second to none. Finishings, decoration, taste, the neighborhood, elegance, sophisticated, secure. You can't beat it. Come check out Casa Aman. Thank you. Adios.